Maayong buntag, Bohol. Tingnan nyo guys, napakaganda ng paligid, napakalamig dito sa tuktok ng Taytay Hills. Napakaganda ng rainbow, pero ngayon medyo makulimlim, walang masyadong clouds. Mamaya daw sabihin nila dito lalabas din si clouds. Kaya guys, abangan nyo. See ya!
Okay, look at this place, guys. This is very nice, relaxing. Maganda yung pagkakada dito. You see the clouds over the top of the chocolate hills. See this one, the clouds. Parang nasa Netherlands lang. Oh, see? I-zoom ko to. See, kung makikita nyo yung place, malawak. Napalibutan na ng clouds. See, try to visit here at Taytay Hills, Bohol, guys. Ang mabait yung nag-accommodate dito. Yung cottage nila nasa 600 pesos. Pwede na group, pwede couple.